Folks, welcome back to another episode of Ranch Rehab.
Welcome back.
And I'm done. Look at me. My high wheel walk behind collar. What do you mean
I'm not going to get stuck with this thing.
What are you talking about?
This thing is dilapidated. This one's mine. This is the one.
Enjoy.
Yes,
Take your cultivator and have fun. And meanwhile, I'll try to fix this old lawn ornament. All right, I'm gonna take this rusty, crusty old lawn ornament and put it over here so we can start our thing.
So I got my WD-40 here, and all I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and lubricate these nuts and bolts, because the last one that we worked on, and I had to get those screws off, they were so rusted, they were like squeaking like crazy. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna hit them real quick. Look at this one, Will.
I see it.
That one, all of these, we're gonna have to cut, honestly.
Maybe so. I know when it comes to old farm equipment or old anything, if it's rusty, it's gonna be tough to remove those nuts off those rusty bolts.
Let me hit this one just in case we ever decide to change.
Worst comes to worst, what we'll do is we'll grab the Sawzall and we'll cut them off. Because you guys know I love cutting things. So the time is now. Let's see if we can get some of these crusty old nuts off.
Okay.
All right, go for it, Jennifer.
Okay, hopefully it's...
Well, that's gonna be good because you're actually tightening it.
Oh!
Come on, Jennifer. Let's not tighten it, hold on. Oh, look at that, Jennifer. Go, all the way around. Look at that, careful. I think we might actually get one here, folks.
Oh.
Come on, Jennifer, you can do it. You're really strong. Yay! Look it, she's so strong. She broke the bolt. And hey, that works.
Yes.
So that's almost easier than cutting them off with the Sawzall, to be honest with you. That wasn't that bad.
Maybe for you. That's all I'm saying.
Do we want to cut them? We want to take the Sawzall and cut these bad boys off or what?
Well, let's try it.
Yes.
We have to try it. It might be much faster, I doubt it, but...
Okay, let's go for it.
Okay.
All right. Safety is very important, folks, because sometimes we're not very safe. See, I move things around. As you guys can recognize from our last video, we did some cleaning up.
He organized.
I organized.
Woohoo!
I have organizational skills. I hang around with Jenny. She's a master organizer.
Yes!
Right?
This is true.
So we have some of this area cleaned off and stuff. But
Oh,
what are you doing with my glasses? Oh my God. All right.
It's time to make the donuts.
This should be long enough.
Are you gonna cut it right from there, or do we need to move it?
I have a long extension cord, Jennifer.
I know, that's what...
Why would I bring things over to here? I can just move the extension cord.
I don't know, but we do a lot of
Why are you trying to make this thing harder and not easier?
Exactly, because we're always shooting this on YouTube, but that's why everything's more difficult. Check this out.
You're trying to say it's not a propeller, Jennifer.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh. All right, so we want to cut these off.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so what you're gonna have to do is you have to kind of push it in a little bit or whatever, and I'll try not to saw your fingers off. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out right about there. Looky there. How cool was that? Let's hit the other one. Okay, here we go. Nice. I thought I was all done. I was so happy that I got rid of those two bolts there that I didn't realize I've got two more. And we're gonna cut those off. Why are you closing your eyes?
Because I don't have safety glasses.
Well, you think a bolt's gonna fly up and hit you in the eyeball?
I don't know, but I don't want to chance it.
Yeah. The other one went pretty successful, right?
Yes.
So let's give this one a shot.
Vamos.
So let me see, the best way to cut it, I think it's gonna be right inside here.
Woohoo!
Look at that. What?
We forgot. One more, babe.
So I got more cutting to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't want you to hold on to this here with your hands because that could be a problem because I don't want to cut Jenny's fingers off. in. I'm not sure if you want to be exactly right there. If you want, I mean, you could be.
I'm bailing out.
You could be like this.
Hold on.
Come up on the table, Jennifer. You're like a monkey. Jennifer's like a spider monkey, folks. You're not afraid of heights. It's not gonna go through. You weigh like 10 pounds. Uh-oh, that's sliding around. Ready? Here we go, Jennifer. Bam, that was beautiful. There we go.
Holy, oh, that smells
Success.
really good in a way.
Why does burnt metal smell good, Jennifer? Oh my gosh. Jump on my back. Just get on my back.
I can't.
Oh my God, just jump on my back.
Look at this. I can't do that easily. I can jump on your shoulders, but not your back.
Just get on my back. Why do you make this? Are you serious? Get down. Were you a cheerleader? I'm getting to wonder.
You're asking me to put, you are right here.
I could jump down there like an agile animal. I was a wrestler, Jennifer. Just jump down here. Look at it. How hard was that?
Well, you could have just done it that way.
I would have.
Okay, so we have to figure out how we can get this thing looking a little bit more straight instead of like
So you're trying to say this wheel and all of its attachments here are a little bit crooked. They're going around in St. Louis or something.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's like going around the coast or something.
So you're gonna do some kind of fancy math or something to figure this stuff out, Jennifer?
No, physics. So you don't want to necessarily weaken your structure.
I've got the fix.
Hey.
I'm like Willie Mays up at the plate. Really?
Yeah, here.
All right, well, you never know. Let me see. I've got some other objects that I might be able to use to help straighten those bars up. I've got all kinds of tools here for the job. I've got a lead pipe. We've got this axle. It's super heavy, too. All right, Jennifer. I've got something here, and it's called a big piece of wood. So we want to try to straighten that piece of metal out somehow, okay? Let me see. Oh, look at that.
Oh, I think we fixed it. I'm not kidding.
Whatever. You did it perfectly, didn't you?
I am not kidding. Look.
Whatever, it's straight now. What do you want, a cookie?
What do you want, a
What do you
cookie?
want, a gluten-free cookie? Whatever.
We fixed it doing a diamond push-up on.
All right, how was the other side? Do you want me to do that one too a little bit?
Yes. What we need to, well, this is a problem now.
So we can pull those apart?
This one, you know how you pounded last time? We need to pound this one out that way.
Out.
This piece has to be pounded. It's coming along.
How's that look?
It's coming along. Look at the difference. Did you see it before?
Wow, let's take a look. Yeah, it looks great.
That's great.
Jennifer, teamwork
Makes
the dream work.
Okay, now we have some other issues.
Really, just a
Let's
couple?
do dream work.
So, we're going total caveman out here, folks.
It's awesome.
But look at it. It's coming together quite well. Okay, folks. So we've got a spoke that needs to be straightened up a little bit. I got you there. Some of the techniques that we're using today, they don't seem like they're going to work at all. Like that push-up, right? Who would ever think that I would be able to roll that piece of steel and make it flat? Doesn't make any sense to me at all. But it did.
It's the right amount of heaviness, weight to not roll the metal instead of like overdoing it, because then you have to overcompensate. It's just not good.
Look at Jennifer.
I can't.
It's rolling. Catch up.
Uh-uh.
Don't forget to stop back for part 2 of this video.
Oh yeah, like, subscribe, all that baloney.
What are you talking about, lights? I mean, why are we putting up lights already? I don't know what you're talking about.
No, look. It's
Oh, they're
really cool.
beautiful.
Don't you think? I
Yeah,
mean, we
they're
can put
wonderful.
these everywhere.
See you guys later.
See ya.